Hey guys, it's your girl Veronica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lip glosses with lipstick. Please show your support by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment down below if you have any questions about the process or ingredients used. First, I'm going to clean my work area with Lysol wipes, and these are the gloves that I am using. To start the process, I'm going to be using TKB Gloss Gel, and for this you can use any lipstick you want. They all work the same. So for flavoring, I'm going to be using these Julian flavoring oils, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, pipettes, popsicle sticks, spoons, bowls for oils, bowls for mixing lip gloss, syringes, and lip gloss tubes. To start this process, I'm going to be melting all of my oils and lipstick inside of these clear bowls. Inside of these larger bowls, I'm going to put my Versagel. Here I'm taping the pipette so that it doesn't fall off of the syringe. Now, a little bit at a time, I'm going to mix the oils into the Versagel until I get the consistency I want. My choices of flavoring are pomegranate and coconut. Now that my lip gloss is finished, I'm going to start filling the syringes. Now that I've filled all of my tubes, I'm going to put on my stoppers. And if you have a little bit of residue on the tubes, you can just wipe them down with a little bit of alcohol. Okay guys, so this is my final product. I am still getting used to making this video, so it would mean a lot if you guys liked, subscribed, and shared to people you think would be interested. And if you have any questions about what I used or measurements used in this video, then just comment down below.